Hey guys, I'm back here at LKQ. Check out the vintage Volvo 945 Wagon. And man, this is where I spent a lot of my career. I was there when these things were coming off the assembly line. I was there when they stopped coming off the assembly line. And I worked on every one of them through the way, under warranty, out of warranty, and everywhere in between. I've owned a few of these beauties. These are great cars. In fact, if they were front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, I'd probably still be driving them here in the mountains. But being that they were rear wheel only, I just had to give up on them when we moved up here. But it has the beautiful B230 FT, T standing for turbo. And these engines were so durable, so bulletproof, so great. This one was obviously an earlier model. Instead of having OBD2 to diagnose problems, we had our blinky boxes here and here. And you would just take your pin there and press down and you would count the blinky codes. Top of the line back then. This one is a Bosch fuel system. I can tell by the size of the fuel pressure regulator here that these were something else, my friends. Durable, long-lasting cars. Very little problems out of these cars. Routine maintenance and a few relays here and there. It would be about all you would have to do. Not sure why this one ended up here, but probably would have been an easy fix for someone like myself. And in another era, I definitely would have scooped it up. Body looks fairly clean. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside here. Volvo leather never held up very well, and this does not look to be any different from that. But yeah, oh boy, if I spent some time in here. Those were common failure points. They'd break at the tabs and they wouldn't stay up. This one did have a sunroof, which is kind of cool. The old classic dashboard. Look at that. It even has the original Volvo key. Yep, the 954 computers, these things were actually worth quite a bit because the what were they in? The 560s, they were red labeled. It's been so many years, I can't remember. They would have issues where they would lose their ground circuit for the fuel pump. So it was real hot commodity to replace those with something new. Oh man, check this out. Oh, this was safe. Oh, I can't lift it because there's no shock strut, but let me get in here and show you. That is a rear-facing third seat. So you have three-row seating in these Volvos, but it would be rear-facing. They had a weight limit to it, about 120 pounds, but yeah, for a lot of folks who used to drive around with kids facing backwards in the back. The dirty secret was, this was the crumple zone. That was the crumple zone for this car, so you can imagine what would happen in a bad wreck with something like this. Overall, this is 95. This is the last year for the 944 or 945 platform. Then they went to the 960s, although 960 started in 92. Great car. Great car. I wish this one had been saved from an early death. Till next time, my friends, take care.